Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing the right cable for the job because the connector defines signal quality and compatibility. Once chosen, power off both devices to prevent shorts, then inspect each plug for debris or bent pins and wipe if needed. Make sure you plan the cable route now, avoid running next to power cords to reduce hum, and keep it away from edges that cause strain. Finally, orient the connectors so you can plug in smoothly. Forcing a connector damages both cable and jack. You plug the cable into the source output first because that reduces hot plugging noise, then connect it to the receiver or input. Once connected, make sure connectors seat fully, quarter turn or click, so contacts mate properly. If you need an adapter or splitter, check impedance and level so you don't distort the signal. After verifying fit, secure the run with clips or ties and add strain relief at both ends. This prevents micro-movement noise and extends cable life while keeping things tidy. You power devices on and set initial volume low, then play a test signal so you can hear problems without risking speakers. Listen for clear audio. If you hear hum, hiss, or distortion, mute and troubleshoot methodically. Check connectors, try a different input, and swap to a known good cable to isolate the fault. Once audio is clean, snug strain reliefs, coil excess cable loosely in a figure eight and label ends if needed. If nothing works, remember to inspect for internal breaks or replace the cable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.